This is a floor plan that we completed in one of our previous classes. I'll tell you guys the topics we're going to cover today. Floor, ceiling, roof. We'll learn how we can create them. Then we will look at how we can give an opening between the floors. Okay, these are the areas we are going to cover today. For now, let's just get rid of the color fill legend that we have. We don't require it, okay? And this is the plan that we drew. We need to do the floor, the ceiling, the roof, okay? We'll learn how we can do that. Let's come to level 1 and just delete this. To delete the color fill legend, take the color scheme, then select this. This is the color legend that we created. Then click on delete, click on yes here, apply, and then OK. Then select this and delete it. Now we have a regular floor plan. So first we're going to do the floor today. Floor is a system family, so to draw the floor, just click on this icon. Here we have a couple of options like floor structural, architectural, and so on. Let's go ahead and select architectural floor, okay? Let's draw that. Once I selected architectural, it is showing the floor type here. 150 mm is the current thickness. When we draw a floor for a house, typically we draw it around 45 centimeter. So for now, let's just select 300 mm. After selecting 300 mm, check the level. We are in level 1. Then we have height offset from level 1. So suppose you want to give it at a particular level, say 10 mm or 20 centimeter, then you can just type that particular value here. This way, from level 1 at that particular height, you'll have your floor. Now we require level 1 itself, so let it remain as 0. And then, as you guys can see, we have a couple of options here. From here, if you want, you can draw a boundary. These are tools to draw the floor boundary. You can draw it in various different ways. Currently, the pick wall option is selected. So if you bring your mouse pointer here, it will be highlighted. So just bring it here and then press tab. Once you press tab, all the walls in the building will be selected.
Avoda promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you learn the job. Register now.